drying up already. Yes, guys. So we're gonna put it in the bucket list next year, guys. Right, Habibi?
Yeah.
Wow, look at the view. The view is not Valley View, but the view is British Columbia, guys. Wonderful girl. She got it like a puppet, like bird. No overtaking, guys. So let's start on the left 180 degrees camera. Lights, action. Here we go, guys. Dira, magbawas ka. It's a curve. It's a curve. See, look at the view, guys. This is the advantage of being a passenger. You can see the view. If you're the driver, you're focused on the road, guys. Whoops, lots of trees. Sorry about that. We're going downhill already.
Chetwin lang.
Oh, welcome to Chetwin, guys. The time is 9:54 British Columbia time zone, guys. It's -1 from Alberta, Grand Prairie border. Alberta border, I mean. So this is Chetwin, guys. Chetwin. There, welcome Rotonda. Welcome to Chetwin. I think there's a 7-Eleven here.
Where?
Yeah, I don't know if it's in the town proper or in the highway. Days Inn Hotel, guys. Where are we gonna make our stopover?
We'll see them.
Chet, oh, there's a dragon statue there, guys.
So may madaanan tayo.
Yeah, that's why guys, we love to do long drive instead of flying in an aircraft traveling to other province, because you will enjoy the view right there. And we plan to cross Canadian border to US, but it's too late for that, guys. So, but we might not know. It's only 2 hours ahead from British Columbia. Maybe my husband's mind will change. Let's see how the budget goes. Right, Habibi?
Probably.
Chetwin District Recreation Center, guys.
We're trying to find the
Gasoline.
gasoline station.
Yeah. I'm not seeing one yet, Habibi. Look at the mountain view, guys. Yeah, maybe on my side, I guess.
Maybe on
Right
this
side.
See this one, Chevron there.
I cannot see. Oh, yeah. So you don't have a choice. We can
Maybe
go there. Yeah, let's try. Aren't you not
There's
hungry
Subway
yet?
also there.
Yeah, you want to buy Subway
Huh?
for a snack? Wait, there's a sushi Japanese also there on this side. But you already ate Japanese yesterday.
Maybe Subway.
Subway, yes.
Let's go Subway.
Anong gusto mong flavor? Okay, that's priority. Right of way. When you're free, you're good to go. Yep, enter. Good.
Wag.
Layo,
Mabilis to
here.
eh.
Hindi, pag ako yun, nakatawid na ako.
Tutuloy ko na kayo. Ano lang.
Okay, so saan ka
Better to
iihi?
be defensive. Right?
Magkarga ka na muna, Habibi.
Saan ba ang pasokan ko nito? Here.
Dito ka na.
Doon.
Dito ka na. Magkakarga ka muna.
Hindi ako magkakarga. Ba't ako magkakarga? Marami pa akong gasolina eh.
Okay, we.
Proceed to the
sige,
route.
pwede.
Dami
Okay.
kong gas.
So guys, we're gonna have a stop over here. Oh, look at that kind of statue. We're going to buy to Subway.
Proceed to the route.
in Subway, guys. And then we're gonna rest here. Do a backup dip.
Yeah.
Okay, let brother pass before you park. And then we will buy food here. I don't like there. I cannot eat that. I cannot eat. I'm good with my coffee.
Oh, may Edo rin, no?
Gusto mong Edo? Mag-Edo ka?
May Edo rin lang.
Dear, pag mag-Edo, mag-ano ako dyan.
Edo na lang.
Mag-Edo ka.
Edo kasi
Sige,
may rice yan eh.
O, sige, mag-rice ka na, no?
Mm.
Kailan ba yung last na kain mo kanina pang umaga? Sige, mag-rice ka na. So, pasok tayo sa Edo. Sana may ano sila. So, guys, he decided we're gonna have a Edo rice bowl. And then, I'm gonna eat sushi, guys. Not really sushi. I want roll. That's my favorite. Maybe I'm gonna try dragon roll today. Dynamite roll. Fix your...
There you go.
Okay guys, see you in a bit.